everyone, welcome back to our channel. It's Bella here. In today's tutorial, I'm super excited to bring you guys this makeup look. So if you want to see how I achieved the look, then just keep on watching. And if you want to be entered in this month's giveaway, then make sure that you go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up. Make sure that you are subscribed to our channel. Make sure that you hit that bell button so that you never ever miss a video. And then if you are located in the United States, then go ahead and comment done down below. So jumping straight into the tutorial, the first thing that I did was I grabbed my Too Faced Born This Way concealer, and if you guys have been watching our videos, then you know that we love to use this as an eyeshadow primer because it's super full coverage and it cancels out any discoloration. And then I always go in with a damp beauty sponge to blend it out after I apply it, and then I set it in place with some translucent powder, and that just helps to blend eyeshadows a little bit easier. The palette that I went in with is the Anastasia Norvina palette volume 2, and this is what it looks like on the outside, and then this is what it looks like on the inside. I love the shade range in this palette because I just love playing with bright colors, but I wanted to kind of create a more wearable look with this palette, so that's what you guys will see me do. So the first shade that I went in with is this bright yellow shade D4, and I just put that in my crease going in back and forth motions. You don't have to be too precise with where you apply this shade, just throw it in your crease because it's going to be our background shade. Next I went in with the shade D2, which is this really vibrant orange shade, and I grabbed a defined angled brush and I put that in my crease a little bit above my actual crease so that when I open my eye, it frames my eye perfectly, if that makes sense. And then I went back into the shade D4, which is the bright yellow shade, and I blended everything out, just going in back and forth motions. And then I decided that I wanted to add even more depth in my crease, so I went into this dark chocolate shade E4, and I took a defined angled brush once again, and I just put that in my crease directly over where we applied the orange shade. And this is how I like to add depth in my crease, because layering eyeshadows is going to give you the most blended look, and of course we're not going to leave it like that. I went back into the orange shade and the yellow shade, and I just blended that line out with a fluffy brush. And then I went back into my Too Faced concealer, and I just cleaned up all over the lid because I want the shade that we apply to the lid to be a little bit more vibrant, and I wanted the crease to really be cleaned up. And for the lid, I went in with my Dose of Colors Desi X Katy Friendcation palette. And pretty much my favorite green eyeshadow at the moment is this one in the palette called Dirty Money. And I just packed that all over my lid. And I just love how much dimension is in this shade. As you guys can see, it's kind of like a dark green shade, but there's a lot of really light green reflexes, almost gold. And for lashes, I went in with my Sofie Bella lashes, and for those of you guys that don't know, Sofie Bella is our lash brand, so we will always leave a link in the description box down below for those of you guys that want to check out our lashes. We appreciate you guys so much, and we see you guys placing orders, and we are so grateful. The style that I went in with is Bahama, and I went back into that orange shade D2, and I just put that all over my lower lash line, because I really wanted the lower lash line to be really cohesive with my crease. And then I went into the shade E4 once again, and I just put that on my lower lash line as well, but I actually focused it really close to my lash line. And then I went in with some lower lash mascara, and this is the finished look, guys. I really hope you guys enjoyed watching. Thank you guys so much for all of your love and support that you guys have been leaving on our videos. We see it and it doesn't go unnoticed, and we appreciate you guys so much. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you in the next one. Bye!